As a small apartment investor, your property is more than just bricks and mortar. It's a significant investment. Choosing the right tenants is crucial for protecting your investment and ensuring a smooth rental experience. At the heart of this selection process lies a thorough review of each applicant's rental and eviction history. This step provides invaluable insights into their past behavior as tenants. It helps you gauge their reliability, responsibility, and suitability for your property. Remember, a stable rental income stream depends on tenants who pay rent on time and respect your property. Examining their past behavior offers a window into how they might act in the future, allowing you to make informed decisions. By diligently assessing rental and eviction history, you lay the foundation for a trustworthy landlord-tenant relationship. This proactive approach minimizes potential risks and sets the stage for a positive and profitable rental experience. Delving into an applicant's rental history is akin to reading a book about their tenancy patterns. The first chapter to examine is their payment history. Consistent, on-time rent payments are the cornerstone of a responsible tenant. Look for a track record that demonstrates financial stability and a commitment to meeting their obligations. Next, delve into their lease compliance history. This chapter reveals their respect for the rules and their ability to live harmoniously within a set of guidelines. Look for any red flags such as repeated late payments, noise complaints, or unauthorized pets. Finally, seek to understand their behavioral consistency. Have they lived in previous rentals for extended periods, indicating stability? Do their previous landlords describe them as respectful, communicative, and easy to work with? A pattern of positive behavior speaks volumes about their character. While rental applications provide a snapshot of an applicant's history, it's essential to verify the information through direct contact with previous landlords. Start by requesting the contact information for at least 2 previous landlords, ensuring you go beyond the current landlord. When you connect with previous landlords, come prepared with specific questions to gather deeper insights. Don't just focus on whether they paid rent on time, inquire about their communication style, how well they maintained the property, and if they had any conflicts with neighbors. Remember, multiple references offer a more comprehensive picture. If you hear consistent positive feedback from different landlords, it reinforces the applicant's reliability. Conversely, conflicting information or reluctance from previous landlords to provide references should raise concerns. While a solid rental history is reassuring, it's equally crucial to investigate any history of evictions. Utilize tenant screening services or access public court records to uncover any past eviction filings. Keep in mind that an eviction filing doesn't automatically disqualify an applicant. It's essential to understand the context surrounding the eviction. Reach out to the landlords involved to gather their perspective. Was the eviction due to genuine financial hardship, or were there behavioral issues at play? Did the tenant communicate openly with the landlord during the situation? Understanding the circumstances surrounding the eviction provides valuable insights. Furthermore, inquire about how the tenant handled the situation. Did they work with the landlord to find a resolution? Or did they leave the property damaged or with unpaid rent? Their approach to resolving past issues can be telling of their character and responsibility.